started last year, 2025. We opened a Walang Gutom Kitchen to give free food, free meals, breakfast and lunch to families and individuals in street situations, as well as low-income workers like yung mga construction worker, yung mga driver na kulang yung kita, pwede silang kumain dun sa aming Walang Gutom Kitchen. And good news for our Cebuano kababayans, we are opening the second Walang Gutom Kitchen of DSWD here in Cebu City late next month in June. No? We will open it in the city to serve our FISS here, yung mga homeless nating kababayan na walang makain, at as well as yung mga low-income earners. Pwede po mag-walk in doon. The kitchen is open from 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. So we're serving lunch and breakfast for free. The objective here is to make sure that nobody is hungry, to make sure walang may iwan. Kasi kami sa DSWD, our motto is bawat buhay mahalaga. So nobody will be left behind. As you know, yung mga FISS, walang mga ID naman yan. They just walking there. We don't discriminate. As long as you're hungry, you can just walk there, get your food for free without any requirements. We just jot down the name, and yung iba, FISS kasi wala silang identification. We even provide them ID which they can use to access other government services.